Another quick unboxing, first impression video. We got our Hinderer XM18 Spanto. This thing is great. Let's see what's in here. Pick this up from Blade and Beam. Haven't bought anything from Blade and Beam till now. They have some cool stuff. Let's see here. Just a little bit. My little buddy's watching Teletubbies in the room next to me. What the heck? Listen. Goodness. All kinds of stuff. Blade and Beam. Thank you. Awesome. It's a knife from Luft. Drink insulator, looks like an air freshener. Okay. A nice pouch. That's cool. Little patch on there. Get you out of the way. Kind of bought this on accident. It's like checking the payment options, and it just was like, thanks, your order is complete. Okay. And this looks really nice. Very cool. Let's give it a first flick. Yep. First flick. Try this again. Here we go. Interesting blade. Very cool. No billboarding or anything. Very cool design. Clamshell construction. Ooh, that's smooth. Man, that sounds amazing. Shing. We got a little writing in here. The RWB and S90V. It's cool, they kind of hid that down in the milling. That's interesting. Checking this thing out for a while. Very cool design. Just kind of accidentally hit purchase on it, so now we're looking at it. It's a nice big size knife, 3.5 inch blade. As compared to the XM18, just handle's a little shorter. Blade's the same. Very cool. Sleek, kind of smooth design. Feels really good in the hand. Such a cool sound. Luft Concepts RWB. I was calling it the AWB. The RWB. Give it a couple more flickers. Better go get my friend over there some breakfast. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing.